in half and remove the seeds. Now here I've taken some homemade curd. I've mixed it with a spoon. Now we add 1 spoon of grated carrots, 1 spoon of chopped tomato, and I'll remove the seeds. 2 spoons of chopped grapes, 2 spoons of chopped apple, 2 spoons of chopped mango. Now we'll add only 2 spices, half teaspoon black salt and half teaspoon black pepper. We don't need to add white salt. And now we'll mix it well. So I've mixed it well, and you have to put the spices according to your taste, and also you can put as many fruits and vegetables as you want. And we are not adding sugar in this because we have used sweet fruits. If you want to add, you can add sugar according to your taste. Now I'm taking half piece of cucumber and we'll add the filling into this. Now I have some pomegranate seeds over here, so we need to decorate our boat with these pomegranate seeds. So now we have the boat sail. Okay, not really a sail, but a toothpick with a grape on it. So we'll add it as a sail on this boat. So one of my boat is ready, and I prepare all of my boats now. At last we'll sprinkle some chaat masala on top. So guys, your salad boats are ready to sail to your mouth. So guys, I hope you sail in these boats, and while sailing, please also give this video a like and share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned because there'll be more amazing videos coming. So bye bye for now.